Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a teacher agreement letter. This letter is a formal document issued by a school or educational institution to confirm the terms and conditions of your employment as a teacher. In your teacher agreement letter, you should include the school's official letterhead with its name, address, phone number, and email to establish authenticity. Address the letter personally by including the teacher's name after a proper salutation. Clearly state the subject as teacher employment agreement to indicate the purpose of the letter right at the beginning. After that, write, "We are pleased to offer you the position of subject grade teacher at name of school. You will be expected to fulfill your teaching duties as per the school's academic schedule and adhere to institutional policies and professional standards. Your compensation package and working hours will be shared with you separately in the offer annexure. This agreement is valid for 1 academic year and may be renewed based on performance and mutual agreement. A notice period of days is required for termination or resignation by either party. Please confirm your acceptance by signing below. Sincerely, Principal's name, Principal, name of school." Here's our sample teacher agreement letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the terms of your employment, your role as an educator, and the expectations set by the school. The letter highlights key details like your job position, responsibilities, and the duration of your contract. This helps ensure both you and the school have a clear understanding of the agreement. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective professional documents.